Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of e-commerce pay-per-click, sharing the strategies and management tips to help you skyrocket your online store's success. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide is packed with insights. So let's get started. The first thing is to understand the basics of e-commerce PPC. First thing first, let's cover the basics. PPC is a powerful tool for driving targeted traffic to your e-commerce site. It's a paid advertising model where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. So now let's delve into the strategies to make the most of your PPC campaigns. Now let's talk about the Google Shopping ads, a game changer for e-commerce. Utilize Google Merchant Center to create high quality product feeds, optimize your product titles, descriptions and the images for maximum visibility. Google Shopping ads showcase your products directly to search results, making it a must for e-commerce success. Success in e-commerce PPC begins with the solid keyword research. Use tools like the Google Keyword Planner or other third-party options to identify the relevant and high-performing keywords. Understand your audience search intent to create a list of keywords that align with your products and the business goals. Crafting compelling ad copy. Your ad copy is your virtual sales pitch. Make it compelling and relevant, and do highlight the unique selling points, promotions and any competitive advantages your product have. Experiment with the different variations to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, a well-crafted ad can significantly impact your CTR. Don't forget about the ad extensions. They are not just for the text ads. You can also use them for the enhancement of your Google Shopping ads. Include the promotions, product ratings and the additional information through extensions to make sure your products are more appealing to the potential customers. The ad extensions are your secret weapons in the PPC game. Take advantage of these additional snippets of information to make your ads stand out, whether it's an site link extension, call out extension or the structured snippet extensions. They provide extra visibility and value to the potential customers. Strategic bidding is crucial for successful e-commerce PPC campaign. Consider your goals, whether it's making clicks, conversions or the return on ad spend. Explore bid strategies like the target CPA, target ROAS or the enhanced CPC to align with your business objective. The key to ongoing success is constant monitoring and the optimization of the PPC campaigns. Regularly review your campaign performance metrics, identify high performing keywords and allocate more budget there. Conversely, pause or adjust the keywords that aren't delivering the desired results. It's an ongoing process of refinement. We have generated real results for the different niches using the Google Shopping network. We have generated over $2.5 million with the 25 ROAS for the pet store. We will leave these case studies link in the I button and in the description box below. In the second one, we were able to generate the sales of £345,000 for an e-commerce electronics store specializing in mobile phones using the Google Shopping campaigns. In the third one, we have generated over $3.2 million in terms of monthly sales through the Google AdWords using the Google Shopping network, Google Ads for the tile store. In the fourth, we have been able to get from zero sales to $250,000 in terms of the monthly sales for the beauty brand using Google Shopping ads. Remember, the success does not happen overnight. Stay consistent, analyze your data and be ready to adapt. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce tips and hit that notification bell.